excavator, a jack, wedges, and chainsaws. This is the dream team for taking down the toughest trees. It's a perfect blend of raw mechanical power and the refined skill of professional lumberjacks. When machine and man come together like this, you witness the pinnacle of forestry efficiency. Truly, this is where tradition meets innovation. Who needs an army when you have the Big Inch 200? This powerhouse doesn't just cut. It grabs, holds, and slices through wood like butter. Its adaptability to machines from 2 to 50 tons and customizable features make it the ultimate tool for forestry professionals. And that XAR steel? It's built to laugh in the face of extreme conditions. Efficiency never looked this sharp. Whoa, the Ponce Elephant King is an absolute beast with brains. Watching the cabin remain perfectly still while the loading area shakes reminds me of a calm captain steering through a storm. This machine is not just about power, it's about precision, comfort, and making forestry feel like a futuristic adventure. Talk about setting a new standard. The Hahn HFP 160 Pro is like watching a symphony conductor bring order to chaos, effortlessly turning raw logs into perfectly cut firewood. Imagine sipping coffee while this masterpiece takes care of the hard work. It's not just a machine, it's a partner in productivity, making every log count. How could you not be impressed? Yikes, what a tangled web of timber. Blowdowns are tough, but add leaning trees to the mix. These guys are absolute legends. I've never seen timber transportation look so peaceful. The Slovakian forests are breathtaking, and this video makes it feel like I'm right there, soaking in the calm. It's amazing to see how the timber goes from the forest in Pila to its final stop. It's like watching a well-orchestrated dance. Pure relaxation indeed. Agros has done it again with the GD 4500S forestry trailer. This 6-ton beast, equipped with a telescopic crane arm, reaches up to 5.5 meters and can lift a staggering 900 kilograms. Whether you're hauling logs or tackling rugged forestry work, this trailer is designed to deliver consistent and powerful performance. Clearing cedar trees just got smarter. With its robust 5-foot frame and sharpened V-notch, the monster cedar puller delivers incredible strength and precision. No hydraulics required, just the lift and horsepower of your skid steer. Big tree, big skid steer, no problem. Get ready for clean, chemical-free land clearing. Zero waste production is exactly what we need in the forestry industry right now. It's impressive how wood waste, often seen as something to discard, can be transformed into high-value wood chips. These sustainable techniques are an incredible example of how industries can work smarter, not harder. I can already see the positive impact this approach will have in reducing waste and benefiting the environment. Let's keep pushing forward. The box wedge design and pullback arm on the Easton-made 22-28 make it a beast for splitting firewood. It's built to handle big blocks and get the job done quickly, without the usual delays of manual handling. Watching it in action is like watching a pro at work. Smooth, fast, and efficient. If you're serious about firewood, this is the tool to beat. The Komatsu 901XC is the definition of precision and strength in one package. With 8 wheels, this harvester looks like it's ready to take on the most challenging landscapes, and the 200H crane ensures it can handle the tough jobs. I also appreciate the attention to minimizing ground damage. It's a perfect balance of power and care for the environment. When it comes to precision cutting, the SAWQUIP log ripper X07 is a game changer. This excavator wood saw is built to handle firewood cutting, tree lopping, and vegetation management with ease. Its tungsten-tipped 750mm blade effortlessly cuts through materials up to 285mm thick, all while maintaining safety with solid steel guards. Whether you're a pro or a landowner, this is the tool you need for top-tier performance. The Bandit Model 3500 XP is like a bulldozer and a chainsaw combined. That Caterpillar C 6.6 engine packs serious punch, and the steel track undercarriage is built to conquer rough terrain. What steals the show is the hydrostatic hydraulic system. It's the secret sauce that turns this machine into a land-clearing legend. This is the future of forestry mowing, and it's incredible to watch. The Camox F175 is like the robotics of the logging world. It combines the precision of a surgeon with the muscle of a powerful skidder. It's almost like the operator becomes a master of the game, controlling the machine from afar with pinpoint accuracy. This is where logging is heading: smarter, safer, and more efficient. It's amazing how far technology has come, and with this machine, we're not just harvesting timber. We're setting a new standard for how the work is done. This is the future in action.
Okay, that's kind of cool for the smaller stuff like that.
Electric-powered firewood splitters. This is a whole new level. No loud engines, no fumes, just pure efficiency.
Let's see how it does. You see there's none. That is fast. Check it out. Pieces right here. That is nice. So you can do even bigger pieces like that. Wow, no way. It did a longer one too. Probably you'll have to go like that.
A practical and resourceful moment. A man is using a wooden lever system combined with a chain to remove a deeply rooted tree stump. That is a smart tech.
Is it getting easier?
Running out of cable.
Oh.
Oh no, the chainsaw's caught mid-cut. This is the kind of danger that makes your heart skip a beat. Time to back off and rethink the approach. Wow, I had no idea wood turning could be this mesmerizing. Watching that raw piece of redwood spin and transform feels like witnessing magic. I can only imagine the skill and patience it takes to create something so elegant. This bowl isn't just a piece of wood, it's a masterpiece. The 1998 Morbark 30/36 is like a vintage muscle car for tree chipping. Powerful, reliable, and built to last. That 325 horsepower cat engine doesn't just chip wood, it dominates the job site. Seeing one in such great condition is a testament to how well built these machines were. This chipper is ready to show the new guys how it's done. The conditions these men are working in are nothing short of brutal. Freezing temperatures, slick, icy wood and snow that could stop just about anyone in their tracks. But with the TDT 55, they've transformed these elements into nothing more than obstacles to overcome. It's not just about the machine, it's about the expertise and the unshakable determination of the operators who wield it. In conditions like this, it takes more than just a strong machine. It takes true professionalism, and these men have it in spades. Wow, this machine is a beast. The way it splits the wood so easily and quickly is like watching a superhero in action. This guy made splitting logs harder than I've ever seen in my entire life. The Rotten 5005 really stands out with its 14-ton build and top-of-the-line RK-140 crane. Watching it operate, you can tell it's designed to handle big loads without breaking a sweat. The EGS-5 5.0 aggregate and those wide 600/65 R34 back tires make this machine a force to be reckoned with in the woods. This isn't just forestry, it's power and precision combined into one formidable machine.
Don't let its size fool you. The MAN B18A is a compact all-wheel drive marvel. With its impressive handling, this little guy makes short work of tough tasks like gripping an old oak tree between its legs. The versatility and strength of this tractor prove that sometimes the smallest machines can have the biggest impact.
In a perfect world where all you have is perfectly straight logs. Ah, that's a solid hack. Using a chain and bungee to hold the log together while you split it is a game changer. It keeps the pieces in place so you don't have to waste time picking them up every few minutes. As you're splitting, the log stays stacked neatly, and you just keep the rhythm going. Not only does this save you time, but it also makes the whole process a lot more efficient, especially when you're working on large logs. The Jarcrack Magna Pro Dual 8-wheeled combi machine, showcased during the FinMetco 2024 exhibition in Gemsa, Finland, is a standout piece of forestry equipment. With a 6-ton load capacity and impressively low ground pressure even when fully loaded, this machine is a game changer for thinning operations in young forests. Its design allows it to maneuver easily through delicate terrains, minimizing soil compaction and preserving forest health. Impressed by what you saw? Like and subscribe to keep up with all our exciting content. Thanks for watching. See you again on Titan Tech.